Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to continue to look at one of the hottest stock in the market right now, Nvidia. We're going to look at the trend and where it might go. So without further ado, let's take a look at the daily chart of Nvidia again. As you can see, the trend is still up despite it trading sideways and a large red bar on heavy volume. The stock still manages to trade above the rising 20 MA, and this tells us that we should continue to be bullish buyers. Okay, have an open mind, bullish buyers until it breaks the uptrend. We want to continue to be bullish on it. Now, let's go and take a look at a 60-minute chart. Now, the 60-minute chart is telling us. Right now, the market just opened. The 60-minute chart is telling us that the stock has broken above a 60-minute downtrend line. Now, when the stock breaks above a 60-minute downtrend line, there is a very high possibility that it might go up. Okay, so one of the secrets of short-term trading is to look for whether there might be a break of a short-term downtrend line. For example, here it breaks a trend line, downtrend line, and it shoot up higher for a couple of days. Here also it breaks above this downtrend line. So look at this recent swing low here. If Nvidia stays above this swing low here and stay above this downtrend line, you want to be bullish buyers. Most likely can go up and maybe even make new all-time highs and go above 1,000. Yeah. It's not impossible, okay? So that is something you need to look at. Now, rising 50 MA, rising 200 MA still tells us, that this stock is very bullish. It's very hot at this moment. There is no reason why we should be bearish on it. It has not even dropped below the 20 MA or the 50 MA. This is a picture of strength. This is a picture of power, and there's no reason why you should be bearish on this stock. Now let's go and take a look at a 15-minute chart. Okay, 15-minute, you can see it just open gap up above this highs of the previous day. So if it continues to stay above this area, most likely it's going to continue to move up from here. 5-minute chart, let's take a look at some of the movement the previous days. Okay, they open up and then it move up and kind of traded down, but today it gapped and open. I'm sure there's a lot of trading opportunities if it gaps above the highs of this previous day's high. So we have established reference area for us right now. Okay, stock is above the previous day's high, currently still trading above these lows of the opening. Okay, if it continues to stay above the lows of the opening, most likely we can end the day trading up higher. We just have a bullish cross over here, so things still look good at this moment. Now let us compare some look at the semiconductor ETF. Okay, it's always good to look at the semiconductor ETF. The direction of the SMH looks exactly like Nvidia, because Nvidia is a big portion of the semiconductor ETF. I'm using the Van X semiconductor ETF. You can see that it is still trading above the rising 20 MA, which tells us to be bullish buyers, even though there's a big red bar here. Okay, some support areas in the SMH are here. Okay, so and also the previous highs here. So SMH won't crash like this unless the support of area here is demolished, and here is also another support area. So that I'm looking at the support areas in the semiconductors because we want to know how bad it will be if there is a crash. So there's one support area, two support area, three support area. So if it needs to, if there's a crash, some may say that there's a big crash coming in on in SMH, yes, that might happen, but you need to demolish this support area. First, you need to go down, go up, go down, go up, go down, go up. Support areas needs to be absorbed, and it's not a one-day thing. It might happen over a period of time. This trend line, you can draw this trend line here to gauge the trend strength. Currently is still trading above the trend line here. It's still trading above the 50 MA, so it tells us to be medium-term bullish. Okay, so there are no weaknesses in the SMH yet. I don't know, it might go up and make a double top. You know, if that happens, we need to see if there's a bearish divergence. If and then when happens, will it break below this steeper uptrend line? You know, some of these things to consider, but we are just extrapolating it into the future and predicting. But we need to look at the price action every day. Let me just remove the drawings first and go to 60-minute charts. Same thing like Nvidia. Okay, break above this downtrend line. Now, I might say, you know, SMH might be making a, what do you call it, a head and shoulders pattern in the 60-minute chart. Okay, let me just draw this head and shoulders. Okay, one thing I don't like about SMH right now is it's a bearish cross here. This might be head and shoulders, and it's broken below the shoulder. But I don't want to jump to so much conclusions yet unless it breaks below this support area and the rising 200 MA. So you may sometimes see bearish reversal patterns in the 60-minute chart, but you need to read it in the context of an overall trend. And for this to materialize, you can take the target, you know, of the height of this to get a target down. Okay, if it breaks down here, the target is around here. But yeah, you can take a reading of that and think that it's bearish head and shoulders in the 60-minute chart. But first, we need to look at the context. It's in a nice uptrend. Okay, and if the semiconductor sector stays above this area, above this rising 200 MA, then the head and shoulders target won't materialize, and we should continue to be bullish on it. So I hope this analysis on Nvidia and also the semi sector has been helpful to you. I do a lot of this stock analysis every day. If you find it helpful, please like this video of mine, this analysis, and subscribe to my channel for more future analysis like this, and I'll see you in the next one.